Hey guys, this is assignment 7.1b, numbers 1 through 8. And in this assignment, we are constructing natural minor scales. We're using one of two methods. The first one is to construct the natural minor scales by using the whole half-step patterns. Or the second one is to imagine the parallel major key and then lowering 3, 6, and 7. Let's look at the first one we got here. We got C minor. So going by half steps and whole steps, C to D. Let's turn on the keyboard so we can see this. C here, up to D, a whole step. E flat's a half step. F is a whole step. G is a whole step. A is a half step. B flat is a whole step. And C is a whole step. That gives us the natural minor scale. All right, so let's try it here with B natural minor using the half steps and whole steps. So what we're going to do is start with B and just write in all the letter names up to the next B. All right, so we put in our half steps and whole steps. We should have a whole. I'm going to move this over a bit so kind of in between them. And half step. And whole step. Whole step. Half step. And 4 steps to finish it out. All right, now all we got to do is just put in the right accidentals to get these half steps and whole steps. So we start on B. To get a whole step, we're going to need to go to this C sharp. So let's make that C sharp. Now, between the second note and the third note, we need a half step. So we need to go to this D, and we're there. Between this third note and the fourth note, we need a whole step. So we need to be on this E, which we have. Now between E and the next note, the fourth and the fifth, we need a whole step. So we need to be on this F sharp. So we'll move that up to an F sharp. Now between the fifth and the sixth, we need a half step. So we need to go to this G, which we have. And then between G and A, or the 6th and the 7th scale degree, we need a whole step. So we need this A, which we have. And then to finish it out, we need another whole step between the 7th scale degree and the 1st scale degree. Whole step. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, so we need this B, which we have. And there we have the B natural minor scale. Now, if we're going to do the second method here, we're going to start with a major scale. Start here. And write out the major scale. We need a whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, which gives us our major scale. Now to turn this into natural minor, we take the 3rd scale degree, lower it a half step. Let's see, where are my accidentals? There we go. So just get rid of the sharp. 6th scale degree, lower it a half step. And the 7th scale degree, lower it a half step. and that gives us the D natural minor scale. And we have the same pattern, whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. Now I'm just going to slide these over a little bit so we'll get in between the notes. Okay, and there's our pattern. Right, so the two ways that you can construct the natural minor scales. If you have questions, let me know, and I'll come around and be happy to help.